RH stock analysis and RH stock prediction. In this very brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with RH. I mean, the first thing that I must mention is that I'm definitely looking to take it further up. With having done 42,000 videos, like that's the exact same strategy that I'm going to use here. It's technically, like, fundamentally in a great demand zone, right? Let's start from there. But does it mean that it's going to be an immediate long for the long term? Not necessarily. I mean, I would prefer some proper breaks above 255, and if that's not the case, then I'm just not really going to be doing that. So that's how RH looking like. I mean, for me to really be bullish, must see a double break above here. And guess what I'm going to do in the meantime? Well, I'm going to focus on other tickers, you know. Can this be traded intraday? Sure, but it's just, there's no clarity in my case here. I mean, that's just very subjectively my opinion, but if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, you want to stay tuned with RH the fast way as possible, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.